Number one, we are going to be simplifying here. So let's take a look. We see a parentheses. So let's deal with the parentheses first. There's that one. We can distribute that in. Nothing really happens. So we just get a 2y minus 2y. Inside the 2y minus the 2y does become a 0. Okay. So everything just brings down 2x minus 5x plus 4 plus inside is just a 0. Here we can combine some like terms. We have the 2x minus the 5x, that becomes a minus 3x. Then the plus 4 comes down. For b, let's combine some like terms here. We have the variable term of 6x and negative 3x. That together gets us 3x. Then we have the 4 and the 10. That to get you a 14. So there we go. We combined the like terms.